Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Olivia Anggraini dengan NIM 501200622. Berikut adalah tampilan research artikel dengan judul Economic in Indonesia. Langsung saja ke poin pertama, yaitu An Assessment of the Short-Term Impact of COVID-19 on Economic and the Environment, a Case Study of Indonesia. The COVID-19 pandemic has already had a major impact on various industries. No country is ready to face this pandemic, and Indonesia is no exception. For Indonesia, this pandemic has shaken not only the public health system, but also the economy. This study uses a computable general equilibrium, or CGA, model to predict the impact of this pandemic on the Indonesian economy. In addition, calculate the amount of land needed to meet the demand for produce and the extent to which emission can be reduced. According to our simulation, in addition to the shock to domestic supply and demand due to COVID-19, Indonesia experienced economic stagnation until 2021, and the gross domestic product, or GDP, was pandemic 2020 for 2021. The two most devastating sectors are transportation and tourism, with GDP losses between 30% and 50%. Daring this model also predict the three will be temporary change in land use and that farmer will prefer to use their land for food and gardening product. In terms of emission, it is calculated that the likelihood the emission reduction by 2021 will be up to 8%. Compared to BAU levels. However, the source of this emission reduction is due to the shrinking economic activity. And even during the pandemic, the increase in emission for the industrial and waste sector is still accelerating rapidly. Not a plus. 3-4 after the end of the pandemic, there is concern that emission will increase significantly, and it will be difficult for Indonesia to achieve its emission reduction target if the government introduce fiscal stimulus to support the economy during a pandemic. The economy situation has not yet fully recovered, but it will improve. This model predicts that government tax stimulus measures will help improve GDP by about 1.3%. Compared, when stimulus measures are not implemented, COVID-19 affected general equilibrium, or CGA, land demand emission reduction. Referensi Malahayati M, Masuri T, Anggraini L, tahun terbit 2021, dengan judul An Assessment of the Short-Term Impact of COVID-19 on Economic and the Environment, a Case Study of Indonesia. Diterbitkan oleh Ekonomia. Volume 22, halaman 291 sampai 313. Yang kedua, Passing out Mercury. Ecological, Economic, and Indonesia, Small-Scale Gold Mining Sector. This article uses an environmental economic approach to analyze the tensions surrounding effort to pass out mercury in small-scale gold mining, or ASGM, by Indonesian attention. One of the world target source of mercury pollution. To do, many scholars and environment activists have long hoped that global regulation or mercury trade would pass up mercury price and reduce the use and pollution of mercury in ASGM. In Indonesia, however, despite global trade restriction on mercury, the recent increase in domestic mercury supply led to the development of new caliber mining has made effort to make mercury cheaper and more domestic. Chinabari mining on mercury management in Indonesia ASGM sector and focuses on obstacles the implementation of the Minamata Convention, a treaty aimed at limiting the use of mercury. The discussion on mercury mining is linked to other socio-economic projects, labor relations, and power dynamics that shape the use of mercury in the gold mining industry and prevent the collective adoption of mercury-free technologies. An integrated ecological economic paradigm to challenge assumption and design new strategies for reduction or eliminating mercury by examining new insight into the social metabolism of the changing resource economy. Emphasize why careful and improvement analysis is needed in the context of ASGM will notify you. Keyword: mercury pollution, ecological economic, small-scale gold mining by craftsmen, environmental governance, clean technology, alienation, Minamata Convention on Mercury. Referensi: Samuel G. Agrawal, SS, Mikap D. et al. Tahun terbit 2018 dengan judul Passing Out Mercury, Ecological, Economic, and Indonesia Small Scale Gold Mining Sector. Diterbitkan oleh Ecological Economic dengan volume 144, halaman 1 sampai 11. Lanjut yang ketiga, the local economic and the election of incumbent district leaders in Indonesia. This paper tests what her economic growth and unemployment play a role in the relation of incumbent district leaders in Indonesia. Applying the Perbit and Hack-Probit models to Indonesia local direct election from 2005 to 2030. We see that both unemployment and the capita GDP growth affect election results for the election year. However, for incumbent district leaders, only average annual GDP growth per capita is important for re-election. However, if look or the performance of the county by the regional or national economy is separated from capacity or the performance of the county domestic economy. The determinant of the election year's re-election is capacity, and the determinant of this election year's re-election is luck. You can see that there is average annual performance of incumbents during their tenure. The results suggest that fourth voters are paying more attention and counting to the performance of incumbents in the last year of their term that during their term. Keyword: relation, economic growth, unemployment, local coach, Indonesia work, behavioral, economic, international economic, finance, microeconomic, social politik. Referensi: Rumaya, Ramohan A, Purwono R, Harmawan I, tahun terbit 2020, dengan judul The Local Economy and the Election of Incumbent District Leaders in Indonesia, yang diterbitkan oleh Helion dengan volume 6 dan halaman E04098. Lanjut yang keempat, irrationality and economic morality of men behavior during the COVID-19 pandemic reason from Indonesia. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a profound impact on economic behavior as rising and unemployment and the provision of new business creation can continue economic activity. In this study, we examine the functional relationship between loss avoidance, talent effect, crowd behavior, and irrational behavior represented by the business moral of small and medium-sized enterprise and SMEs, and the mediating role of altruism from the perspective of behavior economics. I will explore the study include quantitative surveys and cross-section data using samples from 288 SNES in East Java, Indonesia. Using the structural equation model, the results show that endowment effect and crowd behavior are strongly associated with economic moral. The study also found that altruism has a positive relationship with business moral and successfully mediates the irrational behavior of Indonesia's mass. In addition, marketing strategies also distinguish the impact of altruism on economic morality. Keyword altruism, basic effect, her behavior, economic morals, SEMS. Referensi Wahyono H. Narmaditya B.S. Wibowo A. Tahun terbit 2021 dengan judul Irrationality and Economic Morality of SNES Behavior During the COVID-19 Pandemic. Reason from Indonesia. Yang diterbitkan oleh Herion dengan volume 7, halaman E07400. Lanjut, yang kelima, the effect of port development on coastal with water quality evidence of eutrophication status in Indonesia. Summary, the development of transportation infrastructure should include a comprehensive cost